Hi there, welcome to the review project. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Milwaukee M12 High Performance Area Light or Rover Compact Floodlight, depending on what it's called in your country. It's a rugged floodlight designed to take anywhere that you can stick, clamp, hang or carry from many different types of mounting points so you can light up your work area, workshop or even take it camping. Okay, so we've got the light there. We've got the normal documentation, instructions, warranty and safety information and an M12 brochure. Feels pretty rugged, nice tough design, looks like it would handle being thrown around on the job site or anywhere you took it really. Strong heavy duty rubberized front to protect the lens, on off button with mode selection for the 3 stages of dimming. Plenty of room at the back to access the battery. On the base there was 2 strong magnets for sticking on magnetic surfaces, a keyhole slot for hanging on screws either up or down, and a spring-loaded reinforced clamp for mounting off beams and various other items up to 40mm. Okay, I'll stick a battery in it now and we'll test the light and see what kind of light it puts out. Okay, so that's on medium. Now I'll switch to low and switch to high. So the rating for this light is 1000 lumens on high, 400 lumens on medium and 200 lumens on low, and runtime is 3.5 hours on high, 7.5 hours on medium and 15 hours on low. Milwaukee also say this is 3 meter impact resistant, so as you can see there's some pretty strong heavy duty rubber around the outside of the glass there. It's IP54, water and dust resistant and also chemical resistant, so it's designed to last. Okay, what I'm going to do now is test the light out. I've got the camera attached to the work light, so we'll just pretend that I've lost power to the house, come down to my switchboard in pitch black darkness and it lights the area up pretty well. I can see inside the switchboard, no worries. You can see a little bit of interference, but that's just from filming. To work under, where you require clear lighting, it's really good. Compared to my older Milwaukee 18 volt torch, which was a halogen lamp, this is really clear.